Hello, I'm Yellow and welcome to my channel HelloYellow. I'm in Munich, the beautiful city of Bavaria. Today I want to find out all what goes into making the famous Glühwein. And after that I will take you on an excursion to the highest mountain of Germany. Every December the winter markets go up in Germany and people come together to drink Glühwein. But what exactly is it and how did it come to Germany? Glühwein literally translates to Glühwein. In English, we know it as mulled wine. Although the drink is very popular in Germany, its origin doesn't come from Germany. The Romans invented mulled wine to save any extra wine they had that was going off. They added honey and spices to make it taste better. As they traveled across Europe, mulled wine was spread across the countries. In the Middle Ages, the wine became popular and was even thought to be very healthy because of the spices. The oldest Glühwein in Germany is dated back to 1420. In Germany, the typical recipe for Glühwein is red wine, sugar, cinnamon, cloves and orange. You will also come across a variety of new types of Glühweins in the German winter markets, such as Heidelberg Glühwein, Weißer Glühwein, Glühwein mit Schuss, Feuerzangenbowle and many more. I have tried them all, strictly for research of course, but I find the traditional red Glühwein is still the best. Glühwein is so popular not just because it is tasty but also because it is the perfect drink to have when it is cold and snowing outside. It warms you up from inside out. If you want to cook up some for yourself, then my sister Melissa has an amazing recipe that she will now share with all of us.
For my mulled wine recipe, you're gonna use 1 bottle of red wine, very nice and fruity. You're gonna use 1 tangerine, juice of an orange. You can use the peel, but you don't have to. And you can use cloves, cinnamon, honey, of course, a vanilla bean, some star anise, and you're gonna put 5 little balls of allspice. So first we're gonna use a very fruity red wine, not too sour, not too dry, just a nice fruity red wine, and you're gonna use the whole bottle. Then you're gonna use 1 vanilla bean, about this much of cinnamon, star anise, juice of an orange, juice of a tangerine. You're gonna use some cloves. Oh, this is clove powder. This is fine too. Yeah, not too much. Just a little. And you're gonna use allspice. And I'm going to grind it. Just like that will do. I'm gonna cut my orange. And per bottle of wine, you will use 1 orange and 1 tangerine. If you double the amount, it will be 2 oranges and 2 tangerines. And last bit you're going to use is the honey. I suggest you use a nice organic one. So this will be nice and sweet. Later it can be adjusted according to taste. Give it a nice stir. And then you're ready to put your mulled wine on the fire. You have to be careful not to boil the mulled wine. It should never boil, it should only heat. It's almost ready. It looks really nice. Okay, we are going to make some sausages as well, and we are going to have bretzel with butter.
Habe ich schon angeschaltet für die Inder. Ich hoffe, ich kriege den jetzt auf 40 Grad hoch. Schauen wir mal. Angeblich ist ja gut isoliert, die Kammer. Schauen wir mal, dann sehen wir schon.
Cheers.
From Munich, there are a lot of exciting day trips that you can do. One of them is visiting the famous Zugspitze.
I am at the Zugspitze, the highest mountain of Germany, and it is just spectacular. The view is mind-blowing, the weather is amazing.
And it's really cold.
Zugspitze is the tallest of 4 mountains that are part of the Eastern Alps. Standing at 2,962 meters tall, it is Germany's tallest mountain.
Welcome to a beautiful day at the Zugspitze Mountains. Today families come down and do some skiing, some sleigh. It's amazing experience, it's so beautiful being so close to the sun. Amazing cold snow. Make sure you pack your proper gear and follow us, see how it goes.
In order to get to the top of Zugspitze, we took the Bayerische Zugspitzbahn from the Garmisch-Partenkirchen train station. The train journey isn't the fastest. It took us roughly 1.5 hours to reach the top. But keeping in mind that during this time we are changing our elevation by over 1,500 meters, it was kind of fine.
I'm going to go into the ice hotel today, into the Igloo Hotel. I'm so excited about it.
The Ice Hotel Zugspitzplatt is a must visit. And what a feeling to be high above the clouds, more than 2,700 meters above sea level. The enchanting, fabulous world of the Igloo village with imaginative landscapes, with dwarfs and giants, elves and unicorns, castles and fortresses is simply beautiful. No Munich trip is complete without a dinner with my friend Rezi and her family.
Thank you for watching, and please give this video a like. I hope you enjoyed the quick, easy and delicious recipe that you should definitely give a try. For more recipes and travel stories, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at HelloYellow. See you very soon with a brand new episode of HelloYellow.